I said it before. I'm going to say it again. Most high-achieving, self-aware people are not actually thriving. They're surviving exceptionally well. I've spent over 4 decades working with people who are intelligent, capable, and deeply introspective. And what I see repeatedly is this: survival consciousness can look like success. Yes, it can. You're responsible. You show up. You handle things. You've got it together. And you understand psychology. You've done the inner work. Many people always tell me they've done the inner work. And yet there's still pressure, still over responsibility, still subtle belief that everything depends on you, like the world is going to fall apart. And you're manifesting some things, but not everything that's meaningful to you. That's not thriving. That's survival refined. Survival doesn't always look chaotic. Sometimes it looks like competence, right? Thriving feels different in the nervous system. There is a steadiness, a spaciousness. You're not bracing for what's next. Decisions come from clarity and not internal pressure. And responsibility becomes a conscious choice, not who you have to be in order to feel worthy. Now, when someone is thriving, they're no longer earning their right to exist through effort. There's a peace. When you're beyond living in survival mode, you'll recognize those subtle survival patterns that even highly evolved people miss. You will be guided into a more embodied, internal, free way of living. Because surviving well is still surviving. And you're ready for more than that. So join me in my course and thrive. I'll see you there.